so today I'm going to unbox this. This is the new and latest UV disinfectant lights for your smartphone, or you could also use it for mask, your watch, your jewelry, or whatever that you want to disinfect. And this is also allow you to charge your phone. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So I got this out of eBay for I believe it was about 26.60 something, which is the lowest that I ever found. I think the original retail price up was 28 something, and then they were offering some kind of discount. So I was just looking around, browsing around, and sometimes they show you guys the highest price first. So if you take your time and then patient to look around, you will find an even cheaper price. So let's go ahead and unbox this. But 26 something, you gotta add the California tax. So depends on which state that you live in. So actually I bought this for my wife's Mother's Day, which is on the May 10th. So hopefully she's not gonna look at this. Because she always clean her phone using the alcohol wipe. So I figured this would be a nice gift, and she also keep on washing her face mask. Wow, look at that. That was small, but it's pretty big size. So it says coating machine, and then they have this special texture on top of the lid. There's a button right here. It says coating, and then incense, and then there's it shows you 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100% when it's finished. So when they say incense, doesn't mean it's incense, okay? It's almost like a vapor. So I think you could put some oil scents, and then it will create like an incense. So come with this short cable, which is pretty short. And this is USB type A to micro USB. So they have the UV light right there on the side. On both sides. And then there are two additional UV right there. So it says go up to 6.5 inch. Let me try my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. See if it fits in here. So this one is the S20 Ultra. So I believe I need to take out the case. Let's go ahead and put this in. Wow. So it does fit just barely. So it probably go to like 7-inch maybe. So yeah, it fits 6.9 inch. Let's go and then kind of plug this one in and test it out. Maybe I need to go get my power bank because this cable is too short. Let's go and check out the instruction real quick. Although this is in Chinese. Also, right here it's in English. It's a multifunctional nano coating machine instruction manual. Nano coating machine, sterilize, charger, aromatherapy. So it has the product feature is a multifunctional nano coating machine with the big ultraviolet lamp from two sides, 360-degree sterilization with the aroma function, variety, perfume, optional, with the big capacity suitable for 6-inch mobile phones, pads, watch, and jewelry, with a smart dimension and a 5-volt low voltage, portable and safe. I think they spelled wrong. So right here is on how to use. Put your mobile phone into the machine and then press a coating button. It will start coating and sterilize. 5 minutes later, coating and sterilize will be finished. If aromatherapy status, press aromatherapy, which is the incense on this unit. Then you will start aromatherapy automatically. So let me go get my power bank real quick and I'll be right back. So there's your USB port right here, okay? So if you connect this to your micro USB input, okay? And you could plug this USB Type-A to charge your other devices or your smartphone or your any device that uses USB Type-A to charge your unit. All right, so I'm going to test this out. I got my rechargeable flashlight right here. And this is the Samsung power bank.
Hello, welcome to use the multifunctional disinfection coating machine.
Scared the freaking out of me. Okay, so let's go ahead and test this out. I'm gonna put my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G in here. Gonna close it. And then I'm gonna press coating. Instant if you're gonna put like oil in aromatherapy in there. So I'm gonna press coating.
Hello, the disinfection and coating process is in progress.
So I gotta wait until 5 minutes when it's go up to like 100% finish. And in the meantime, I'm going to see if I could charge this flashlight from this output right here. Also, yeah, it does charge at the same time. So the other one is go to 50% now, while it's charging my flashlight as well. So this flashlight stays on red. Once it's fully charged, it's going to turn into green. Well, as you know, the virus is going on right now. It is a good idea to invest one of this unit, and it is for everyday usage. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.